Hey guys, what's up? Vinny just came all the way from
Dallas,
Texas. He's coming to the 500 shootout. You boys excited about the 500 shootout? Yeah! You know, it's going to be a showdown. Junior's getting his ass whooped by the old man. The old dog is going to win the shootout, okay?
It's not even going to be close. It's not even.
He's got his KX500 Chinese bike.
Washed up.
Yeah. Here. So, tell us your story, brother. He just came in, and look at this magazine right here. What year is this?
1977.
1977.
October 78.
Hannah sweeps the 250 MX series.
Now, I've had this book for 40 years, and it's a picture of me at Southwick when I was, 17 years old? Yeah, that's me right there.
You know, you got to come with us tomorrow.
And there's a picture of Jimmy Ellis, and I saw your video with Jimmy Ellis.
Yes.
But anyway.
Badass. I was there, man. I was probably in the woods.
You were
over
probably
there,
in there, it was on that hill.
Absolutely.
But this book, you can have it for your
thank you,
museum,
brother. I
man. You're
appreciate
welcome,
that, man.
man.
Thank you.
Because I know you guys will get more out of it than I will.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, this is going in the
Because
library.
nobody knows about that stuff except for you guys.
Moses, you want to put a blessing on the book for us? A little prayer for us real quick? You got 15 seconds.
Heavenly Father, we thank you. King of Kings, we thank you. We thank you for the presence of our brother. We thank you for the presence of all your children. Lord, bless us this morning. Give us honor. And Father, tomorrow, as we are about to go out to Southwick, Lord, touch each and every soul. In the name of Jesus, I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Let's see his plans are rest tomorrow. Go ahead, one more time.
Cancel Satan's plans for tomorrow.
Lord, let your presence destroy the presence of every demonic plan. Let the blood of Jesus, sprinkle the blood of Jesus on this location. We sprinkle the blood of Jesus. Amen. On Southwick. We sprinkle the blood of Jesus on this land. Let it be success. Let everything be peaceful. In the name of Jesus we pray. Amen and amen.
Amen. Anyway, it's nice seeing you. I like your. Every time I see you take your hat off.
500 shootout. Who's psyched for the 500 shootout? Yeah! Don't miss out, man. He came all the way from Texas for this.
I drive a truck. I go down to the border every day now. And don't get that on film.
Yeah.
That's worth an admission price. I'm gonna give.
But anyway.
Absolutely.
So I know we got a lot of old dogs, some seasoned veterans, and
We've got Chris Cannon coming.
past the drag race, I'm not sure how much competition there's going to be for the young bloods. We got Chris Cannon coming out, and everyone knows Chris is a real deal, but I don't know. He didn't race last weekend because of his broken sternum, and I think he's definitely going to pull the plug on it or say, "Oh, my sternum hurt." That's his excuse. But either way, it's not even going to be close. He's going to get smoked tomorrow for sure.
So,
What do you think?
I think it's outlaw style 100-yard drag racing. It's anybody's game, and I got the machine. Look at this bad boy right here. He's got a Kawasaki. I got a Honda CR500. HRC, baby. Mugen Racing. Factory racing. Gonna clean it.
Fresh stickers.
Chris Reds.
Where are you? Hey, go show him. 500 shootout, T-minus 22 hours. We got Frank is bringing his Kdx450 Enduro. He's owned this since he was 18 years old. We've got the YZ490 number 5 bike. We got the number 6 KTM 495. We got the RM500 Suzuki with the Olin shocks. This thing's a ripper. And in the trailer, now we also have guys coming with from Texas with several bikes, guys from California, Ohio. There's going to be dozens of vintage big bore bikes at this event. This is the second annual 500 shootout. We've got the Mako MC400 and we got the KX500. We're bringing two 500s to this event, so that one's nasty. That one's got a brand new 2004 frame, motor's all done. So it's going to be an awesome event. Pretty pumped, as you can tell.
Yeah, that was a big uphill.
It's showtime, folks. We have visitors from the Great White North. Heidi Hollerick and James Hollerick. James, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you. What have we here in the back of your trailer, sir?
I got some treasures and see if you want to buy it.
This guy's a legend. James, he owns the Trail Bike Museum in North Adams, Mass. World's largest collection of Ossas. So what's new with you, brother?
Well, getting out a little bit.
Awesome, you look great, man. Let's check out your ride. What do you got here?
You brought your flat track.
Are you gonna send it tomorrow in the drag races with us?
You know, I was gonna wonder if I could display it in your museum.
We would love to. Are you coming? I hope you're coming to the show tomorrow, right? The 500 shootout?
No,
Oh, bummer. We rented the track. We rented Southwick.
I know you did. I got more stuff to do than.
Wow, look at this. This thing is beautiful.
71 ST1 with a champion frame. That's nickel plated, right, James?
Yeah.
Nickel plated champion frame.
Wow.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Junior?
Unbelievable.
There's boxes of goodies too.
I bet she's a ripper.
Well,
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to sell them.
You want to sell it?
No, the stuff in a box.
It's all
Hey, look at
NOS.
this turf display for it too.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that.
Hey, let's do that. Bring it to Southwick tomorrow, and I can do my motorcycle bench presses on that.
Suzuki parts.
Okay. All Suzuki parts. What do you got, James?
Well, look at it.
You psyched for the event tomorrow, Heidi?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna borrow a helmet.
Which bike do you want to see prep for you?
That vintage Honda.
The CB100?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. The street trail one?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The brown one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I want that half helmet. so
Pick
it
one up.
matches the
Yeah,
bike.
absolutely. Pick any helmet you want.
Hey, Pops.
Yeah. Wow, look at all these goodies.
Brought by some top end kits, some cylinders, some heads, and check this out. NOS Suzuki
Don't play me.
pistons
Wow.
of all sizes.
Jackpot.
What bore is this, James? They go pretty big.
We'll get you top dollars for these, brother, on the World Wide Web. We'll eBay them for you. Wow, look at these Suzuki service tools. Look at this. Suzuki special tool for all models.
I think these are worth something. I mean,
Wow.
these are pretty good. I think.
This is a
Hey,
surprise.
you know they're
but
good, they're good if they're under a lock, right?
It did not disappoint, James. James did not disappoint.
James don't play. Look at that
No,
champion
absolutely
frame.
not.
Wow, look at this. Clutch pullers and everything.
Well, it's supposed to
Look
be
at that.
Is this an NOS
These
spoke kit?
sign. These sign here.
Hey guys, look, it's an NOS Suzuki spoke kit.
Jim, how many bikes you got in your collection now?
130.
130?
Hey, look at all these gaskets.
What's your favorite bike, James?
I don't know. These are the ones.
This one here?
Oh, I got right.
You used to. You won tons of races, didn't you?
Yeah, but that was with Super Pioneer.
He's got a nice Suzuki banner.
Wow. Look at that.
The whole nine. We're talking carb kits,
Look at all these.
top
Look at
end
all these
kits,
pegs.
passenger pegs. We got gaskets. We got speedo and tack cables. Even a Suzuki banner for the museum.
What's over here?
The full museum display.
Wowie kazowie. Look at this.
And this this champion frame also looks fresh out of the box. Look at the fork. Look at the fork lower. The Sirianni forks in this box.
Are those brand new, James, or did you restore them?
Those are out of the. They look out of the box. You know.
They're special short ones. They're hard to come by.
For short track racing, right?
Yeah. Wow. There's a couple of carburetors here.
It's a real new old stock. Oh my goodness.
What do we got over here?
Hey, Pops.
Jackpot. Look at this stuff.
These are sun rims, James. Didn't these Ossas come stock with Acrons? These are sun rims, huh?
Yeah, no, that's not right.
Yep.
It was a Koshman or something.
Okay.
Wow. Look at this. Oh my God, fresh. Fresh bolts. Brand new. Boxes of them.
What is that?
Wowie kazowie. Look at this. Wow.
Maybe Pops knows.
Yep. Hey, Pops.
What you got?
We think these are Indian
It
carbs here.
looks like it.
What does it say? Hey, any of you guys watching this, please comment if you know what this is.
Let us know what this is
What is
here.
it? What does it say on the side?
James says he
you
thinks
read
it's Indian. So
No.
1-to-1 manufacturing co.
Very cool.
Made in Can't even make that out. Made in the States here.
What a beautiful bike. How was your ride down this morning, James?
Good, I stopped at Peachtree Dine.
Drank too much coffee, didn't you?
Let me see the camera.
What's the matter? Your back hurts?
Oh, every now and then, Joe.
You're missing this profile here with their tail section. And that clover on the rear, that's just stunning.
She's a beauty.
That's nice. That's really. I like the bars too. Look at those wide bars on it.
Did you load up all this heavy stuff by yourself?
Yeah.
No wonder your back hurts.
Right?
He's hardcore.
We'll make an offer on that stuff without the bike.
Without the bike. Bike's not for sale.
So Heidi brought down another gift today. She knows I've been growing out the afro, so she got me some afro combs and also a hair tie for when I do the man bun.
Yeah,
So
it's not looking too full today.
well,
Do you have
actually,
gel in it or something?
give me about pause the camera. Give me about 30 seconds and.
Let's see if you can totally throw it up.
Thanks, Heidi. Thank you.
What's up, homie?
Top of the morning to you, laddie.
How you doing?
Great day, great day.
It's a great day in the neighborhood.
Always, every time you come down to
Hey,
the museum, it's a
let's
good
see
day.
the side of your head. Look what happened here. What'd you get in a battle with
I wasn't.
some hoodlums or something? Bike
yeah,
thieves?
I wasn't doing my job, and Mr. Kaplan America tuned me up.
Lead piped you?
Yeah.
Good thing you don't have any hair in your head. That would have been a bitch to sew that up with a bloody messy hair.
Yeah, I guess it would have.
So Junior's fro was a little flat. Now it's
Don't
full.
worry.
Full
We
fro.
fluffed it up for camera purposes. Only, actually.
Looks like a bird nest on your head.
Yeah. Just wait until after the shootout. After I smoke all these guys tomorrow.
You gonna
it's
show them
gonna
what's
be-
up with the fro?
It's gonna be really crazy.
All right,
Oh,
fro.
yeah.
Hey,
Yep.
looking good.
And yep. Here, pause the camera real quick. Let me think about what I'm gonna say.
Tell us about your challenge
Yeah,
at the 500 shootout.
I called Jeff Miller yesterday, and he was hanging out with Chris Canning. And Chris thinks he's gonna smoke everyone. And I told Chris that if I can't beat him on the track, then we'll hash it out in the pits. So
You're gonna make up for when he used to beat you up when you were little?